patient, welcome to my creation. Working with passion, I'm another dimension. I'm in your dreams because I am your obsession.
Robs, costumes.
This is my passion, welcome to my creation. Working with passion, I'm another dimension.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got another sunroof install all the way from Hobbs, New Mexico. I believe it's from Hobbs, New Mexico. They just dropped it off this morning. A cat eyes single cab step side. We're gonna be going with a used sunroof, the one that requires bodywork and painting. We are gonna be painting the roof black, but let's check it out. Here's the truck. Clean. I like this front end. Like I said, we are going to be painting the roof. Everything is the black color. We're going to be blacking everything out. Alright. We're going to be starting removing. We're going to start removing everything on the headliner. Get everything off. We'll go ahead and throw a center line and then get the sunroof installed. We got the drains for it and the sunroof. All right, stay tuned. All right, we got the headliner out with all the clips, visors, and light. We're gonna be blacking everything out on this. This is what it's looking like right now with nothing on here. So we'll start getting our measurement, go from there. All right, guys, we got the headliner all done, wrapped in black suede. I'm gonna go ahead and install it on the truck. It did get dark on me, but the sunroof is in already and the body work is done. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and paint the roof. All right, got the first coat of primer on it. I'm gonna let it flash off, put some guide coat, and then I'm gonna block it off, sand it down, and then put another 2 more coats. All right, stay tuned. The install's been done. 2 days for the paint, 1 day for the install, with the headliner installed and all that, and the next day to paint it and let it cure. It's been curing for about 4 hours already, so it is good to the touch, but it still needs to cure 24 hours before they do run it through any car washes or any of that. But let's check it out. Another one in the books. Like, comment, subscribe. We got a lot more videos coming. More sunroof videos, the Weld-on ones. We do have another of the new kits, but a used one I'm gonna be installing also. So stay tuned for all these. And stay tuned for this video of this one. This one's from Hobbs. Hobbs, I believe, Dexter, somewhere's out there in southern New Mexico. We're going to be getting a video of this one here soon. I already started on it, but I just been doing clips here and there, but I'll get a full video of maybe like part 1 of it and go from there. Alright, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Peace.